Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to scan QR code on WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Now, tap on three dots from the top right corner. Go to Settings. Tap on the QR icon, which is located at the side of your name. You will see your WhatsApp code here. Tap on the scan code. And from here, you can scan the QR code on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you are able to scan the QR code on WhatsApp. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.